Hello everyone and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. Alright, we have episode 11 of our beginner paint pour series. And today I'm going to show you a negative space dirty pour. So what we're going to do is we have the canvas is already flooded with white. I've already put my white down, and you can do your negative space with any color. It does not have to be white. But I am doing mine with white today, and you don't need very much paint because you want your background to mainly be white. So here I have a little bit of the violet, or I believe it is Velvet Crush, and then the Royal Violet, the Caribbean, a little bit of Key West, and then just a little bit of Pink Parfait. All right, so we do not have much. We only have about a half an ounce. So what we do want to do is kind of mix our paint, but we only want to do like a figure 8. We don't want to mix them up a lot, just a figure 8. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the canvas up on one side just a little bit. This is an 8 by 10 inch canvas, and you want to kind of work with the rule of thirds, and we'll go through the rule of thirds another day, but your eye kind of goes to each third of the canvas. So you want this to be in the bottom section of your top third. We're not going to put it right down the middle. We're going to put it just above the middle. All right, so I'm just going to do a dirty pour as I'm tilting. All right. I'm going to tilt just a little bit of that off. Just getting some of that spread around so it's not all just bunched up in the middle. All right, so that is a dirty pour with negative space. I'm going to use my torch just a little bit, but not much. Both the purples had silicone, and that is it. All right, so that is episode 11, and I hope you can join us for episode 12. Thank you so much.